name is Abdullah Janneh. I'm on advanced trading course, fully on campus. By studying here in LAT and learning how to read the market, read a chart, and how to make money. I chose LAT because my mom found it was the best one of all the courses that we found online. What I particularly enjoy about the program is the teachers. Every single one of them are different and they're all very helpful. Anything you need, they're there to help you. They make the course very easy for us to learn and to achieve what we need to. Since studying at LAT, I've learned how to read a chart, how to place a trade properly, how to do my analysis, fundamentals, how to do my research on the news. I've learned a lot. I would recommend LAT to families and friends because it's the best course out there if you want to make money and if you're really interested in the financial market.